No matter where you do business, online customer reviews are insanely influential. Reviews determine how people perceive a business, whether or not they would buy from it, even its visibility in search engines. Maybe you have a great repair shop, you do great work, and have lots of happy customers. But other than hoping and praying, what can you do to make sure your customers share the good word where it counts? You don't have any control, do you? Yes, you do. Soapboxx gives you a simple online reputation review funnel process that's easy and effective. Here's how it works. Happy customers don't often write reviews, and they'll tell you why. They never even thought about writing a review, or maybe they forgot, or maybe it's just too difficult. Are these problems that Soapboxx can solve? Absolutely. Soapboxx automates the task of asking, reminding, and guiding your customers through completing reviews on the review sites that matter to you. What about unhappy customers? You said you didn't have any, right? Of course, stuff happens, and there are those customers who you'll never be able to please. Our review funnel process gives your repair shop a second chance to fix any problems and to recover unhappy customers before they vent online. So the net result is more and better reviews for your business from your real customers. Finally, getting your repair shop the online reputation it deserves. In addition to getting more positive reviews for your shop, Soapboxx will monitor your reviews across scores of review sites and will alert you whenever new reviews are posted. We then capture all the data and show you exactly how your business is faring with intuitive, up-to-the-minute charts and graphs. We can also help you get mileage out of each and every positive review you earn by automatically streaming your latest and greatest reviews to your website and social media profiles. It's all done for you. So maybe you can't control what customers say about you online, but you can do more than hoping and praying. Let's get started right now and show the world what a great auto repair shop you have by getting and sharing more positive 4- and 5-star reviews from all your happy customers.
Wait, before you go, we've just added something new and exciting. Would you like to know how the reputation of your auto repair shop stacks up in your area? If you click the link below, you get free instant access to a special online reputation report customized specifically for your auto repair shop, where you'll discover your shop's reputation score, where your shop may be falling short, and get helpful tips on how to improve it. Now, the process will only take a few seconds of your time, but the information you're going to get back just may be the key you've been searching for that will unlock a lot more quality car count for your shop. Click the link below and let's get started right now.